Shenzhen Bestar, Electronic Technology Cooperation Limited. Located at number 99 Shihua Road, Changping Business Building, Futian Bonded Area, Shenzhen, China, is a leading supplier in the global display technology industry, boasting over 20 years of rich practical experience. We specialize in manufacturing and customizing TFT LCD display screens, with sizes ranging from 3.5 to 55 inches, as well as touch panels, driver boards, and a full range of related accessories, covering the entire hardware chain for display solutions. As the general agent of BOE and a strategic partner of world-renowned top panel manufacturers, including HKC, CSOT, AUO, IVO, Tianma, Inelex, etc. We offer a comprehensive and diverse product portfolio, firmly supported by a stable and robust supply chain. This advantage ensures timely delivery and consistent quality, laying a solid foundation for long-term cooperation with global clients. Our dedicated R&D team, backed by 18 independent technical patents, focuses on continuous product design, performance optimization, and technological innovation. We are committed to providing tailored display solutions for a wide range of key industries, such as automotive electronics, security protection equipment, mobile devices, industrial control systems, medical instruments, and industrial automation. Whether it's high-stability displays for industrial scenarios, precision screens for medical devices, or energy-efficient panels for mobile products, we can meet the unique and strict requirements of each industry. Beyond our standard product line, we also provide professional customization services for LCM and PCAP products. We offer end-to-end support throughout the entire process, from initial R&D and customized design, to mass production and professional sales consultation, as well as reliable after-sales services, including technical support and maintenance. Guided by our core values of quality and innovation, we strive to exceed every customer's expectations. We are dedicated to building long-term, stable cooperative partnerships with clients worldwide, leveraging our expertise and resources to drive technological progress. Together with our global partners, we aim to shape the future development trend of the display and module industry, creating greater value for all sectors.